Hey beautiful, it's Nancy, also known as the Lipstick Boss, and today I have the perfect red dress makeup look for you, and it only takes 2 products. You're going to need a red lipstick and also a metallic eyeshadow to create this look. All right, I know what you're thinking. Can you wear red lipstick with a red dress? You absolutely can. You don't stress too much about matching the color exactly. Just make sure that it's in your color code. It's good for your skin tone, your undertone. So go ahead and apply your red lipstick, and then you're going to use the same color just to tap it on your cheeks to give that really flushed look. Just a little bit goes a long way. All right. And then you're going to take your metallic eyeshadow using your finger to get the most pigment. You're going to go ahead and apply that to your finger. See how pretty that is? It's like a champagne color. And you're just going to pack it on your eyelid. All right. Very easy. And then if you want, you can take a fluffy brush with nothing on it, and you can just kind of blend it up into the crease, or you can even add a little bit of bronzer into the crease just to help that pop a little bit more. But there you go. You have a very simple, stunning makeup look for your red dress.